Have you heard about the talk? No, not that talk.
I remember the first time I heard about the talk. No, not the Facts of Life talk, but the talk that moms have with their black sons. And I remember the impact that it had on me.
Rules of survival.
10 rules of survival if stopped by the police.
My husband and I have 3 adult sons, all college grads, all assets to society.
I was shocked and deeply saddened when my friend told me that she had the talk with her son, who is just 7 years old.
Your goal is to get home safely.
Your goal is to get home safely.
Not only do we still have talk brush-ups, but now they have the talk with each other.
On August 18th, Moms Talk Justice is calling all women. You don't have to be a mom. We welcome aunties, sisters, friends, any woman who cares about people. We believe that if we come together and share our stories, we can better understand and connect. We can build bridges when moms talk justice. On August 18th, after you've had your dinner, after you've put the kids to bed, meet us on Facebook Live. That's Tuesday, August 18th at 8 p.m. Search Moms Talk Justice on Facebook. Spread the word.